Of course, you want it to always stay in style, right? Definitely. As far as these items on here, they're like taking another 40% off. So you see the sign up at the top. I kind of dig it. Look at this, that finish on this skirt. It's just super small, so I can't fit none of this stuff in the store. But the crazy thing about Michael Kors is Michael Kors does sell plus size, but it doesn't look like they have no plus size in the store. Oh my god, y'all, the way this looks. Oh my goodness. I love this. How much is this dress? This is a small, it's $177. Yeah, that dress is beautiful. I love that. And y'all don't sell no plus size in here neither, huh? Ain't no plus size in here, huh? I know they sell plus size because I own that plus clothes, but yeah. Online, yeah. I want this. That is dope. That is so cute. Thank you. But yeah, guys. So these boots are cute, right? Those are cute. The heel is kind of thick, so you wouldn't be hurting yourself. But I can't get them around my thigh. But those are really cute. But these are the ones that I asked about right here. These are the ones that I asked about. They're about probably like $400. That's not bad, right? But yeah, I really like those shoes. They're super dope. But that is it, guys. I mean, they got jewelry. I'm not into watches. I don't know if you are. But ultimately, that's what they got in Michael Kors. Right outside that beautiful Santa decoration that I thought was so cute right there. But thank you so much for watching for me. And I want y'all to enjoy the rest of your day.